Are you working a full-time job but still feel like you're barely getting ahead? Like, no matter how hard you work, you're still stuck living paycheck to paycheck. If that's you, you're not alone. Maybe you've already tried a few things online before. Maybe some of them didn't work, or it turned out to be a complete waste of time. And now you're wondering if making money online is really possible. I get it, because I was in the exact same place. Well, before we start there, let me introduce myself. My name is Ruan and I live in South Africa, and I spent 17 years of my life working different jobs, doing everything from teaching to retail to administration to factory work to market research. You name it, I've done it. And most months, my salary was gone within a week. I knew there had to be another way. I was looking for ways to work from home, earning US dollars as a South African. But here's the truth. I actually had zero tech skills, no marketing experience, and definitely no big social media following. But what I've discovered changed everything. I learned that you don't need to be a tech expert. You don't need thousands of followers. And you definitely don't need to work 40 hours a week. I truly believe that anyone out there can learn how to build an online business with automations, because in profit mode, you're literally only one customer away. And that is exactly what this channel is about. Here on Run Road to Riches, I share simple beginner-friendly ways to start an online business, work from home, and build income online, all while being present with your family. My mission is to help overworked, burnt out 9-to-5 employees escape the rat race and that trap and start creating freedom for themselves and their families. I post new videos every single day to show you what's working right now out there. So if you want to learn how to build an online business, even if you're starting from scratch, then make sure to subscribe and join me on this journey, because this is your road to riches.